Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a calendar in Excel. That way you can print it out or just have it online to kind of schedule things. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is start out and make this very simply with just text and borders. Once you have this, you'll go into the first cell and hit equals sequence. And then you're going to want to do 53, 7, and then the first day of the year. Close. And it'll come out like that. I suggest to get it in date format, you just select them all. And you'll come into here and change it to whatever date you want. So if you want them long date, short date, I'm just going to select short date. And then I'm going to select all of this. Change this to 75. Put this up top, centered, and now you have a calendar that you can just go through and add tasks. And yeah, like this video, subscribe for more. Thanks.